Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now act. First, open iCloud Mail or settings your name iCloud and tap Manage Storage to locate mail usage. Once done, identify the biggest culprits: large attachments, old folders, and synced accounts you no longer need. Make sure Mail Sync is enabled so deletions propagate across devices. Next, sort messages by size or date so you can remove bulky or outdated threads efficiently. This gets you from setup straight into targeted cleanup. Now focus on the heavy lifting. Sort your mailbox by size or date and scan for threads with big attachments. You can either download important files to local storage or delete them to free space. Once deleted, immediately empty trash and junk in iCloud Mail so space is reclaimed. Also review mail settings across devices, sign out or disable old account syncs that reintroduce mail. Make sure to pause any automatic backups while you clear space to avoid repeated uploads that can finish by returning to iCloud storage and confirming the mail usage dropped. If numbers don't change, double-check mail rules, shared folders, and iCloud backups that might retain copies. Once done, sign out and back into iCloud on one device, wait 30 to 60 minutes for server sync, and then recheck. If problems persist, like stuck messages or orphaned attachments, contact Apple support. That's your key troubleshooting tip. Re-sign and allow time for sync before escalating to support. It fixes most replication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.